Example 7. Find the derivative of f of x using the first principles at the point where x equals -1 for f of x equals -x cubed plus 1. Solution. To find the derivative of f of x at a specific point x equals -1, we substitute -1 for x in f-1 equals limit of f of -1 plus h minus f of -1 all over h as h tends to 0. Expanding the brackets, we get, simplifying the terms in the numerator, we get equals limit of 2 minus 3h plus 3h squared minus h cubed minus 2 all over h as h tends to 0. Taking out the common factor h, we get, therefore, f-1 equals -3. We have thus determined the gradient of the tangent to the function f of x equals -x cubed plus 1 at the point -1, f of -1.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.